BioTense Eye Contour Gel. BioTense Eye Contour Gel is a cooling organic gel that targets the eye area to provide a fresher, brighter, and more youthful-looking appearance. It is ideal for anyone prone to circulatory dark circles, eye puffiness, droopy upper eyelids, wrinkles, and fine lines around the eye. Combining the diadermic method with microencapsulated active ingredients, BioTense Eye Contour Gel works on the epidermis, the superficial dermis, and up to the facial muscles. Advantage number 1: immediate lifting tightening effect. BioTense Eye Contour Gel is made of lifting tightening pullulan, fragmented hyaluronic acid with plumping, smoothing, and moisturizing properties, cell energizing glycogen, and muscle relaxing acmyla oleracea. This synergy of lifting tightening ingredients helps to firm the skin, smooth the skin texture, lift the upper eyelid area, and improve the appearance of crow's feet. Advantage number 2: anti-dark circle, anti-puffiness. BioTense Eye Contour Gel helps to reduce dark circles and eye puffiness. Made with vasoconstricting and decongesting ingredients, it helps improve blood flow and stimulate lymphatic drainage around the eye area. Antioxidant stabilized vitamin C and detoxifying bentonite clay also offer an immediate lightening effect for a brighter and more luminous appearance. Easy to use, the retail size of BioTense Eye Contour Gel comes in a roll-on applicator and perform a micro-massage to amplify the decongesting effects around the eye area. Results: the eye area instantly appears brighter, fresher, and more youthful. Within the first week of use, signs of fatigue and fine lines minimize. Over time, crow's feet wrinkles diminish and the upper eyelids appear lifted. How to use it: slide the roll-on applicator from the inner corner toward the outer corner of the lower eyelid without pressing. Repeat on upper eyelid using an upward motion.